Welcome to Brighton by the Sea. Not only are we Gulfront, but we're under $1 million Gulfront, and I can't wait to show you all the details of this. I mean, the spectacular views. Look at this pool. We've got a pool right here that is a Gulfront pool that the whole neighborhood shares, so that's kind of nice. Renters love that. This has been an investment property and a personal use property for the owners that are here. And we're going to have 3 levels of deck. So we just showed you the upper sun deck, and we're going to make our way down. So you've got all these beautiful bright windows in here. You've got a king-size bed, an ensuite bath right over here to the right. And she's painted it, I think it's called sea salt. It's that nice serene green color. It just makes you feel like you're at the beach. I'll take my sunglasses off. We're going to head down the stairs. They've got these beautiful pine wood stairs that weather the beach really, really well. And then you're going to come right into the living floor here where we've got a breakfast bar in the kitchen. Many upgrades with the countertops. Again, the tile floors make this so nice and easy if you have pets or renters. They're really easy to clean. Everything matches really well. And just look at the views. I love this floor because it's got the big sliding glass doors. Everybody can hang out and have dinner or coffee, or can you see yourself having your own little low country boil because you can get seafood from all the locals around here. And like I said, you can see the kids swimming in the pool from here. So this is a great spot in the community, and they have all these connecting boardwalks that take you right out to the beach. You're also really close to driving beach access. So if you like the idea of having a golf cart, and when you own property in Gulf County, you can drive on the beach, and it's really just a hop skip right here that you could take your golf cart anywhere you want to go on the beach. And it's so fun to get in it and cruise up and down or go collect firewood and have yourself a bonfire in the evening. We're going to head down to what I call the bedroom floor, but we've got a half bath on our way right there. Excuse me, that's a full bath with a shower. And we're heading downstairs. Again, it's got all the pine wood floors, and you've got all of the detailing of the woodwork coming down the stairs. Again, you've got tile floors. We've got a bunk room with its own ensuite bath. Whoops, come with me. You've got all of the beadboarding along here. You've got your washer and dryer right here. So it's convenient to all the bedrooms. And then you've got this nice sunny, it's almost like another master suite, again with an ensuite bath. So all of the bedrooms have their own bathrooms. You've got big sliding glass doors here. This is the lower level deck, and you can access the upper deck with the spiral staircase. And again, you can get a really good close-up look here of the boardwalks that connect everything. You've got your own shower. You can wash your feet off. But this is a great community, and I love it because it's just convenient to everything. You're close to Port St. Joe. You're close to the pickleball courts, the 10-mile bike trail, all the things that the St. Joe Bay has to offer. You drop your kayak in and your paddle boards right here at the park. You've got Salinas Park on the other side, driving beach access right there. What more could you want? If you want to see all the details on this, comment Live the Beach Life below. We'll send them to you, but share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye.